यार कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं ना जिनके फ्लीटिंग इमेजेस मेरे दिमाग में रहते हैं. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट एंड इट इज गोना बी द ओनली. बट आई हैव एक्चुअली अ कपल विद मी ऑन स्टार से बातें. और ये कपल की भी इंटरेस्टिंग कहानी है. तो बिफोर आई इंट्रोड्यूस देम, लेट मी टेल यू. लोखंडवाला, जो लोग मुंबई में रहते हैं, लोखंडवाला के एक सर्कल पर आई एम रनिंग अक्रॉस एंड देयर इज अ शूटिंग गोइंग ऑन. और वहां पे एक डायरेक्टर कुछ दो चार शब्द बोल रहे हैं. सडनली एक 6 फुट टॉल इंच मेरे को शक्ल दिखाई देती है एंड आई सडनली सी दिस गाय एंड दैट गाय वाज मोहित. ब्रदर, आई डोंट नो इफ यू रिमेंबर दिस सीन आल्सो.
ऑफ कोर्स मेरे को याद है वो कैफे का नाम भी मुझे
Correct,
याद आ रहा है.
correct.
शॉर्मा वगैरह मिलता था वहाँ
करेक्ट
पर.
करेक्ट.
और मुंबई में शॉर्मा नया नया आया था तब.
बिल्कुल इन द मिडल ऑफ इट यू हैड दिस वेरी काम, कंपोज्ड, नॉन अब्यूसिव डायरेक्टर ऑन a set of a serial that itself was an ajuba. And the person who's sitting right next to him, if you look at her from a distance, there's never a smile. वैसे है नहीं ऐसी है. But छवि का morning and post 7 o'clock chilled scene, two different people. So Chavi, thank you so much for joining me as well. Together, the two of them run one of the most popular YouTube channels. And you know, when people say they're creators, I say that these guys were actually one of the first real creators of great content online. Shitty Ideas Trending, and I don't know why they ever took Shitty Ideas as a name. We'll talk about that today. But guys, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया मुझे ज्वाइन करने के लिए.
Thank you so much. Yeah, it's been so long, Salil, since we met, and
हाँ.
मुझे सडनली याद आ गया. What a lovely talker you are, man. मुझे अपनी इंट्रोडक्शन सुन के मतलब मजा आ
But
गया.
बिल्कुल सही है.
हाँ, you
Chavi
painted
early
a
morning
beautiful picture.
in the gym is different. Chavi in the afternoon is different. Chavi in the evening is a different person.
And you've seen them all.
Of course I have. But before I say this, so much content is being created. No, you guys started it all. I remember even then, people was not sure how is it going to work because you weren't making on a cell phone camera content. You were shooting the same thing that as a director you've been shooting for years on TV. And you were spending money.
हाँ.
Why?
I'll tell you. Actually, जब हमने शुरू किया था SIT, तब अरीजा आई थिंक मस्ट बी अराउंड कितने सवा साल की रही होगी. 2 years 2015. हाँ, correct.
Ariza, their daughter, by the way.
My daughter, our daughter, who's now going to be 9,
My
was
God,
around
she's 9.
yeah,
9 has flown, yeah.
2 साल की थी. And I was because Chavi had to take a break from active television work, and we were both breadwinners of our home.
Yeah.
To live a certain lifestyle.
Correct.
तो मैंने अपने ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर ले लिया ये सोच के कि अब 2 लोगों का काम मुझे करना है अकेले. तो मैंने कभी ऐसे काम किया नहीं था टीवी में जहाँ पर मैं continuously for a year getting engaged with one show 30 days a month. And you know how television works,
Yeah.
right? 16 hours is your regular day.
And for a director, तो 100%.
100%. तो 15 घंटे से 16 घंटे एवरी डे आप काम कर रहे हो इंक्लूडिंग योर ट्रैवल. बिकॉज सेट्स भी दूर है. लोगों ने नायगांव जाके सेट बना लिया. लोगों ने कांजूर मार्ग जाके सेट बना लिया. अब काम करना है तो जाना ही है. तो वक्त बिल्कुल मिल नहीं पा रहा था अरीजा के साथ, मुझे छवि के साथ. तो उस चीज़ को लेके हमारे बीच में बहुत फ्रिक्शन होने लगी. और एक पॉइंट ऐसा आया जहाँ पर हमने डिसाइड किया कि यार छोड़ दो सब कुछ, बेच बाच के शिफ्ट हो जाते हैं गोवा. वहां जाके जो सबका ड्रीम होता है, सब गोवा ही सोचते हैं सबसे पहले. बिकॉज गोवा इज.
बट मैं वैसे भी आपको बता दूं, ये वो ऐसे लोग हैं जो दोपहर को 2 बजे शूटिंग कर रहे हैं, है ना, शाम को 5 बजे घर आए, 6:30 बजे अगर फोन करो किधर हो, ऑन द वे टू गोवा. शाम को जैसे लोग जाते ना घूमने के लिए, ये लोग गोवा के लिए निकल जाते थे. और आई थिंक यू डन दिस ना 24 आवर ट्रिप टाइप आपने किया ना, आवन जावन.
Yes, we've done all that. Those crazy times we've seen with Goa has been the love of our lives.
Yeah.
In fact, we fell in love in Goa. That's the first time we met, and you know we had a shooting shot. Anyways, coming back to the original story, how SIT idea started and why we did what we did. And I'm getting a little deeper into it because you know I think this is a platform
Of course.
where we can, and the stories that you shared about other people has inspired me to go a little more deeper into it. Otherwise इसका एक बहुत ही formatted answer है मेरे पास, but I'm not giving you that one. तो बहुत फ्रिक्शन होने लगी मेरे और छवि के बीच में, बहुत ज़्यादा. मतलब सेट पे से 1-1 घंटा में शॉट रुका हुआ है और मैं इससे फ़ोन पे बात कर रहा हूँ बिकॉज शी इज़ इनकंसोलेबल, बेबी इज़ क्राइंग, शी इज़ क्राइंग, पता नहीं किसको चुप कराऊँ. मतलब तो बड़ा ही मेरे लिए ट्रोमेटिक टाइम था. तो मैंने बोला यार छोड़ देते हैं सब, बेच बाच के घर है, बेच देते हैं, ये वो गोवा चलते हैं, वहाँ एक छोटा सा एक शैक खोल लेंगे और वहीं रहेंगे और मैं वहीं से लिखूंगा और आई कैन राइट अ नॉवेल एंड यू कैन sing and we can pursue other things which we can do at our own time. But eventually पता लगा मतलब कि ये तो हो नहीं सकता bro. ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है, यूटोपियन थॉट है कि ये हो सकता है, लेकिन ये पॉसिबल नहीं है. तो क्या किया जाए? कंटेंट इज समथिंग दैट वी वर क्रिएटिंग, लाइक यू सेड, कर ही रहे थे. ये चीज तो आती है, तो हमने सोचा चलो इसी का एक आउटलेट देखते हैं क्या है. और मैंने जस्ट नया ना यूट्यूब पे कंटेंट कंज्यूम करना शुरू किया था 2014 में. मुझे याद है मैं रात को घर वापस आता था और मैं अपने मोबाइल पे हेडफोन लगा के टीवीएफ के वीडियोस देखता था.
अच्छा.
ये रात को मैं सोते सोते ना मुझे हिलने की कैसी फीलिंग होती है. मैं देखती थी ये हेडफोन्स आके करके हंसी जा रहा है.
और तब मैं सोचता था ये कौन लोग हैं जो इतना मेहनत कर रहे हैं.
And good looking content also.
Yeah, yeah.
Good looking, good quality, relatable. The spoofs were amazing. उनका वो रोडीज पे उन्होंने जो स्पूफ बनाया था, राउडीज, I used to love it. तो मैं वो देखता था रोज रात को आके घर पे. तो मुझे
But you were also watching it क्योंकि तुम एक director हो. And
हाँ.
so you were seeing it from a director's point of view also, right?
Not really. I
अच्छा,
was
अच्छा.
only watching it from entertainment point of view, and the
अच्छा.
question that came to my mind at that time, that who are these people? Why are they making it? Who's watching it? Who's paying them? I am going to the set every day and shooting for a Star Plus or a Colors or a ZTV.
आपको per day मिल रहा है.
Because एक producer ने मुझे engage किया जो मुझे पैसे दे रहा है,
हाँ.
और मैं रोज जाके एक X amount of पैसे घर लेके आ रहा हूँ, इसलिए मैं कर रहा हूँ. ब्रॉडकास्टर इसलिए कर रहा है क्योंकि वो एडवर्टाइजर से पैसे. ये लोग क्यों कर रहे हैं? मेरे को समझ ही नहीं आया. मेरे को कोई आइडिया नहीं था कि ये मोनेटाइज हो सकता है. बट जब हमने सोचा कि हमको कुछ करना चाहिए, मगर हम भी YouTube पे बनाते हैं ना कंटेंट, मजा आएगा.
And might I add here also कि छवि was a star, you know, कमाल की एक्ट्रेस भी थी. So in the sense that still is of course, but I'm saying television के लिए lead roles. तो ये करना it was already a usable name. तो ऐसा था कि घर पे usable नाम है, डायरेक्टर बड़ा नाम है, घर पे usable face है, तो घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर सीधा तंदूरी चिकन बना दो, right? So that's basically also if you were not a face, तो इतना आसान नहीं होता. You know, it's like saying कि ठीक है डायरेक्टर भी है जो राइट भी कर लेगा, एक्टर भी है, कोई ना कोई आ जाएगा एक्टिंग करने के, so we can make something.
करेक्ट, दैट वाज देयर. आई मीन लाइक हमारे पास वो क्राफ्ट तो था ही.
हाँ.
क्राफ्ट हमको आता था. एज अ डायरेक्टर मुझे साउंड का नॉलेज है, मुझे लाइटिंग की
Lights,
नॉलेज है,
sound.
मुझे कैमरा का नॉलेज है, मुझे स्क्रिप्ट का नॉलेज है. तो नॉलेज सारा था. दैट रियली हेल्प बिकॉज हम बहुत छोटे टीम के साथ, इनफैक्ट सलिल जब
Of
यू
course.
केम एंड शॉट विद अस,
Actually,
you saw how many people we were
Yeah.
shooting with, right? 4 people, right? तो
but मुझे ऐसा भी लगता है that because we came from a television background, we actually had to unlearn a lot of things to, sort of adapt ourselves and our craft to YouTube. उस टाइम पे कोई OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स नहीं होते
Correct,
थे
correct.
और YouTube पे भी कोई कंटेंट ज्यादा बनाता नहीं था. We did have the early movers advantage there, and yes, the technicalities of the job, since we were both very familiar with that really helped. But the kind of content that we were used to making was something that is not suited for you.
But I'll tell you, it's been 6 years now. The funny thing is, when we started out, we thought 6 महीना करेंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि मैंने सोचा कि चलो जो शो मैं उस टाइम पे कर रहा था, स्टार प्लस का बहुत बड़ा शो मैं कर रहा था, जिसका नाम था
तू मेरा हीरो.
वो तो फिल्म थी ना, नहीं वो हाँ
तू
करेक्ट,
मेरा
तू मेरा
हीरो.
हीरो. एंड आई गेव माई पेपर्स इन एंड आई सेड यार sorry but I don't want to continue, and for personal reasons I need to take a break, and 6 months later whatever you can offer me I'll come back. 6 months का हमने सोचा एक वो
Gap
लेते
लेते
हैं,
हैं.
hiatus जिसे कहते हैं,
हाँ.
we can afford it, and मैंने बोला रोज मॉल जाएंगे, रोज शॉपिंग करेंगे, रोज फिल्में देखेंगे, हर महीने वेकेशन के लिए चलेंगे, हर महीने गोवा चलेंगे 15 दिन के लिए या 5 दिन के लिए whatever. बट वो हुआ नहीं, वो सस्टेनेबल नहीं था.
Absolutely.
क्योंकि एक महीने के बाद हम बोर हो गए. तब हमने सोचा कि कुछ और करना पड़ेगा.
और
ये 6 महीना
झगड़े जो हो रहे थे उस टाइम पे वो अभी भी हो रहे थे.
तो हमने सोचा कुछ और करना पड़ेगा. ये जो क्रिएटिव आउटलेट कहीं ढूंढते हैं, तो SIT शुरू हुआ 6 महीने के लिए कि 6 महीना करेंगे.
But ये SIT कैसे निकला है? How was it this idea called Shitty Ideas Trending? एक तो it was such an unique name in itself. इससे ज़्यादा unique सिर्फ AIB था as a नाम. That still had this kind of a profanity that was in the name.
Correct. And like I said, sometimes ignorance is bliss, and I tell a lot of people this. 2 things that we were ignorant about is that this name could later on become a challenge for us when the brands will
Brands,
come.
हाँ.
It became a challenge for us to get blue ticks from YouTube, Facebook,
Yeah.
Instagram.
Plus
Yeah.
also a lot of places algorithms suppress foul
Shitty word.
language. So
Are you
shitty was
serious?
shitty.
It became a profanity,
even today,
right?
Even today, the Facebook page, it was Shitty Ideas Trending. I had to change the name to SIT Official because Shitty
Oh
Ideas
my
Trending was just
God.
not taking up anywhere.
तो वो भी है.
But at the same time, we get eyeballs.
But
the
quirky
first eyeballs
content for
we-
youngsters, of course.
Absolutely, and everybody reacts to that name. The first. they
It's a
cannot
nice
ignore it.
conversation starter, ना? किसी को
Actually,
आप
you know,
बोलो,
the first time I remember that I really saw the virality of your content was many years back. I'd gone to Delhi, and that episode that I'd done with you all, they said, "अरे आप तो sit करके आए ना?" मैंने कहा, "What?" I didn't even. It just like there was no connection because it was something that we done as friends, and it just. And I said, "Are you serious?" And there was a large group of Haryana NCR में housewives that were addicted to your shows, and this is many years back, 4-5 साल पहले की बात है, and they really watched it regularly because I think one thing that you guys did was आप deadlines नहीं छोड़ते थे, right? You used to make sure that you were very regular in your episodic
uploads.
Yeah.
We were like that. We were very disciplined, like
Your
how
TV.
television is,
Ah.
right? So the training came from there, and the other format that we brought to OTT or YouTube was the sitcom format, which nobody else was following. Like TVF was creating content and sketch content, and so was AIB. But they would have random actors doing random things each episode.
आपने
हमने
characters
characters built किए जो आज तक चल रहे हैं. So we are reaping the benefits of those characters because people come back to watch what they are doing now. Now Rishi Rohini are synonymous to their lives in certain way. They take they resonate with them. They take something from them every time they watch them.
बट
तो
ये थॉट कहाँ से आया था कि एक ही फैमिली की कहानी चलाते रहेंगे और फिर उसमें अगर सक्सेसफुल हो गए तो लोग ऐड हो जाएंगे.
कास्टिंग डिफिकल्ट ना हो इसलिए
Literally.
तो हर हफ्ते नया एक्टर कहाँ से लाओगे आप? तो वो भी चक्कर था ना.
बट यू नो तो आपको मैं समझाता हूँ उस समय कैसे होता है जब नए नए प्रोडक्शन चालू होते हैं आप सेट नहीं लेते हो तो इन्होंने अपने घर को बना रखा था और छवि और मोहित की जो दूसरी कहानी है देयर ब्यूटीफुल जो एस्थेटिक सेंस जो इनका है बहुत बढ़िया है. तो मेरी मुलाकात ही इनसे जब तब भी हुई थी जब मैं इनका घर देखने के लिए आया था. मेरी वाइफ वाज एनामर्ड बाय देयर हाउस और किस तरह स्पेस का यूटिलाइजेशन जैसे किया था. मतलब सोचो कि ड्रॉर के अंदर ड्रॉर हो उसके अंदर भी ड्रॉर हो उसके अंदर एक चाबी और फिर जाके कुछ निकलता है. ये थे छवि और मोहित एंड सो दे वर यूटिलाइजिंग whatever they had very well and therein I think was also a great skill that you had. You didn't waste money at all. जो जरूरत थी जैसा था you were playing many hats. Chavi was the lead at that point of time for your show and you know it was working very well for you all. Did you all even think that after 6 months जैसे बहुत सारे यूट्यूबर्स के साथ हुआ था देखो यार कोई ऐसा स्पॉन्सर आया नहीं है कोई ऐसा पैसा जनरेट नहीं हो रहा है जैसा हमने एनविजन किया था क्योंकि तुम्हारा भी प्लान होगा ना कुछ देर के बाद.
So that is where we
yeah.
scored. There
We
was no
did
plan
not
to monetize.
know that this is a monetizable.
But after
Format.
after 6 months
No,
also
so
We
in
we
fact,
learned
what
it.
happened is that when the very first video went viral, and then the second one went viral, and we started getting very good positive feedback from the fraternity people and from the friends and everybody around, and we saw. I still remember that day when we put out the first video on Facebook, and I was literally refreshing it every
And purr,
10
purr,
seconds.
purr.
और हजार views हर 10 सेकंड में बढ़ रहे थे. That was our first tryst with the virality.
Wow.
And that's when we understood that dude हमें तो मजा आ रहा है लेकिन देखने वालों को भी बहुत मजा आ रहा है. और उसके very soon we started getting brand offers and we started understanding that okay इसलिए ये सब लोग create
Then I realized कि TVF क्यों करता है. Then I realized why they got funded.
I think एक बारी ऑफर आ गया you were much faster than the others to understand because you were from that world. A lot of YouTubers were just kids that were just making
So
fun.
to
You were
be-
from a world that existed with this.
So to be honest, creating content is one thing, but selling it and making it into a branded piece of content is completely different.
Trust me, I
That
know.
is a
We
part
all
of
make
the-
content,
yes.
but कोई खरीदता नहीं
तो
है.
जो कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड की जो साइड थी ना वो हमारी इंडस्ट्री में कभी नहीं देखी होती हमने. ना ही हम लोगों का कोई मैनेजमेंट बैकग्राउंड और एनीथिंग है. वी आर बोथ फ्रॉम क्रिएटिव फील्ड्स. I'm literature, he's commerce. So वो
So
चीज
pricing it and all was tough, is it?
pricing, positioning it, pitching it, making presentations, speaking their lingo, everything was difficult. Plus, what was difficult is how to understand the social media. Because हम जब when we were younger, there was no social media.
Yes,
एक
yes.
ऑर्कुट भी मतलब कितने साल के बाद एक ऑर्कुट होता
But
था.
that's what I'm saying. You all still managed to stay in touch with the current YouTube generation. It was very difficult. A lot of people once they became older, they said यार हम नहीं मैच कर पा रहे. The ideas to understand कि 18-20-year-olds, then married couples, then उससे थोड़ा बड़ा जब बच्चे वाले आते हैं, how to understand the problems of those people, it was very difficult.
So yeah, that's where we made a perfect match for SIT because he has a solid control over the content part of it, and I learned everything that there was to learn about any platform there is.
Is YouTube today an overused platform? Because I see the top 10, 20, 30 people. You don't really make money through views as such. I mean, if people think कि भाई इससे sustain हो जाएगा तो as such वो नहीं होता. It's the branded content and all those kind of things. अभी मैं जब देखता हूँ, so there are some of the people who I've known for the last 2-3 years, they have really hit sky high. But वही 10, 20, 50 लोग होंगे that are really managing to reap in the benefits. Is it too late to enter YouTube?
I don't think it's too late
I
at all.
don't
I
think
think it's a
it's-
great time, in fact.
नहीं, in fact, if I talk about from a brand standpoint and a brand perspective, I talk to them every day.
Okay.
I'm doing branded content almost, if we put out say 52 pieces in a year, almost 40 pieces are with
Wow.
a brand, right?
Okay.
So I'm saying we are talking to them in and out, and these are brands, not just now the new age brands who evolved with the digital world or who belong to the digital ecosystem. उनको तो समझ है ही already कि YouTube पे branded content कितना फायदा देगा eventually. अभी conventional brands भी आ रहे हैं. आज से 5 साल पहले अगर एक ब्रांड का मान लो for argument sake 1 करोड़ का मार्केटिंग बजट था, तो उसमें से 5% डिजिटल के लिए था, बाकी 95% कन्वेंशनल मीडिया के लिए था. आज वो 50-50 पे आ गया है.
Wow.
और आने वाले कल में वो 95-5 द अदर वे अराउंड हो जाएगा. 5 कन्वेंशनल मीडिया के लिए रहेगा, 95 डिजिटल मीडिया के लिए आ जाएगा. सो दे स्टिल
But hybrid models actually already बन चुके हैं. फिल्मों में भी देखा है.
Right.
रेडियो, टीवी, सबके hybrid models आ गए हैं.
Right.
Do you also feel that somewhere along the line that it can actually become exactly what people thought it would be? वो लोगों की ideas होती थी ना कि I must have a work culture medium that will allow me to work anywhere in the world, just with the press of a few buttons. I'll still be able to generate meaningful content and will be able to make a retirement income for the rest of my life at a very decent level. जो पहले सिर्फ memes type होते थे, pandemic में reality हो गए. But आने वाले कल में do you see YouTube being able to provide that or no?
I think so, because see, at the end of the day, the more people start putting content out onto YouTube, obviously not everybody, but that's
Yeah.
the ratio of success, and I wouldn't want to call it failure, but successfully monetizing it and not monetizing it, the ratio is going to be the same, which is with any career, right?
Correct, correct.
वो आपका चाहे वो you being an RJ,
Yeah.
there are millions others
Yes.
who are trying to do that, but not everybody is seller, right?
हम लोग ने छोड़ के नहीं गए ना,
Similar.
रिटायरमेंट नहीं लेते हम. भाई हमें क्लियर है, एक बार एक सीट पर बैठ गए तो उस गद्दी को अभी छोड़ते नहीं है.
वो तो हमारी हिंदुस्तानी मेंटालिटी है ना. मतलब हमारे स्टार्स भी आज तक बैठे हुए ना, आने नहीं दे रहे किसी
कभी नहीं सर, कभी नहीं.
But
तो-
उसी हिसाब
बट
से I
फिल
think
रेट जब बढ़ेगा ना,
हाँ.
तो रेवेन्यू सबको मिलेगा.
What is
ऐसा
that
नहीं है-
fill rate?
fill rate.
Fill rate.
अब जब फॉर एग्जाम्पल लाइक आई सेड, जब एडवर्टाइजर का बजट स्पेंड बढ़ेगा,
हाँ.
ठीक है, अब वो
तो it'll
जब वो
filter all the way down.
जो वो 5 लाख रुपए डाल रहा था, वो आज 95 lakhs डाल रहा है, तो into 20x brands,
हाँ.
so वो 9.5 करोड़ रुपए हो गए.
Wow.
वो 950 करोड़ हो जाएंगे. तो जब वो पैसा आएगा तो सब में बटेगा ना, एक आदमी को तो
Plus,
नहीं मिलेगा.
Also, I think going by the looks of it, like you're saying, everybody's now trying to be a
Yeah.
YouTuber and understanding how it works. But like he said, everybody cannot be a Salil. What Salil is doing best. Now, if people start understanding what is it that I'm doing best, and then try to make a sustainable model out of it, then he can be a part of that fill rate and make it a sustainable model and work from wherever
Not
he
too
is.
many people were able to copy y'all in the right way. So that I think was in itself also a tough medium, because your is actually, if I look at some sketches that I know, that some people I know, like Ashish Chanchlani, somebody who I know really well, he's now started to make, so he became super big and then he's now started to make long sketches. Something that you guys have been doing for a very long time. It's very difficult to do. Do you think if you don't have your kind of TV technical background, you can't pull it off?
See, I think, Salil, what has happened in the last 5 years with, again, thanks to the digital Ekto medium, apart from that, the technology is moving so quickly. Your iPhones come with such brilliant cameras to shoot. 10 years ago, I would say creating content was a privilege, right? I
correct,
mean,
correct.
you could, only a privileged few could
Yes.
attempt it. Also because only a privileged few had the access
Correct.
to it, right?
Yes.
तो नेपोटिज्म वाली जो पूरी एक डिबेट है, वो कुछ हद तक थी और सच थी. बाहर से कोई आना चाहता था, स्पेशली to break into the technical side of things, it was very difficult to get a hold of a camera
Yes.
or an editing studio
Correct.
or a sound designer. How do you do it? Mics, everything was so difficult. आजकल सब कुछ इतना easy हो गया है, इतने options आ गए हैं आपके पास, इतने सस्ते options आ गए हैं, और अब वो चीज नहीं रही कि आप नहीं कर सकते जी, क्योंकि सबने करके दिखा दिया, इंक्लूडिंग
But I
आशीष
still-
चंचलानी,
but I
जिसका
still think-
zero media background.
Correct.
But I still think to create something as professional, technically sound, may be still problematic.
No, but I do think that your scripts are not brilliant. इतना आसान नहीं है ऐसे क्रैक करना. और एक जब आप, it's like as if you get a rhythm. आप लोग का एक rhythm है, और उस कैरेक्टर का भी rhythm है, जैसे टेलीविजन में आता है. So there is a rhythm that has come into it. I'm surprised how you did not take this onto an OTT platform.
So Salil, it's again like it's a journey. I don't think we've reached our destination yet. OTTs will come, and luckily for us, so far in our journey, we have played the wait and watch game. We've not been aggressive pushers of our own. मतलब we don't blow our own trumpet, honestly. हम वेट करते हैं, हमारे पास जो आता है वो हम खुशी खुशी करते हैं, हमको उसमें सुकून मिलता है. और टीवी छोड़कर ये करने का सबसे प्राइमरी रीजन यही था कि we wanted to get away from the rat race. We wanted something that could make us feel secure and could still work at our own pace and still be sustainable and be able to maybe live up to the same lifestyle
I
and
think
maintain the same
even
lifestyle.
today, when we love the fact that we take the decision every morning whether चल यार छोड़ आज नहीं करना है काम.
अच्छा.
literally मतलब sometimes we leave the house for office and I tell him छोड़ो यार, let's go to a coffee shop, have some coffee, let's push everything. You know, that is the kind of space that we're in, and I think it's so important for that mental peace to be there. Otherwise there's no end to it. Yeah, there is literally no end to it. And even today, not very proud of it, but still 100% of our brand engagement is inbound. We still haven't even explored the outbound. So again, and when OTT platforms, when you talk about pitching to OTT platforms or putting out a show,
It's
there,
not easy, first of all.
it is not
Yeah,
easy
yeah.
for various reasons.
know,
Okay, now
yeah.
we have a lot of inbound inquiries from different OTT platforms. We are still not being able to crack that. And to be very honest, there's a huge gap between content creators and OTT platforms in terms of the platform understanding and giving the confidence, putting their faith in the creator to be able to tell them that you've come to me to create something, let me be the judge of it and let me give you a good product.
No, I completely agree with this, because a lot of the criticism that a lot of platforms I get is that they want to create something, that's the idea. फिर जाते वो बड़े नाम के पास, फिर जो बड़ा नाम बोले वही दिखा देते
And
हैं.
highlight है Salil.
And then people say, what is this rubbish being made?
वही है ना अभी
People come to us saying that, oh, we love the content you create, we want something like that for us. But when we pitch something like that to them, they say, नहीं इसको ऐसा कर दो, उसको ऐसा कर दो.
So क्या हो गया ना, OTTs have become just a little more glorified broadcasting
Correct.
industry में जैसे काम होता था. प्रोड्यूसर लेके जाता है, देन चैनल डिसाइड करता है उसको किस तरह से प्रेजेंट करना है, उसको ब्रेक एंड मेक करता है, रातों रात स्क्रिप्ट चेंज कर देता है. ये सेम चीज अब OTT पे हो रही है. एंड लाइक यू सेड, अभी इनका पेट भरा नहीं है बड़े लोगों के पीछे. अब ये जब वहां से जब थक जाएंगे, तब इनको लगेगा कि अब हमको सस्टेनेबल कंटेंट भी बनाना है. तो ये सस्टेनेबल हॉटस्टार ने स्टार्ट कर दिया है, हॉटस्टार क्विक्स. इनफैक्ट आई वाज amongst a lot of discussions that we had initially while they were trying to create this content, which was
This particular format.
this format in terms of short form.
Correct,
So under 15 minutes, which is what we are very clever at doing, right? Our stories don't go beyond 15 minutes. It's always concised within that time, yet it has a beginning, middle and end.
Yes.
So that was a format that they wanted to crack, and we had a lot of discussions. And eventually, but हुआ क्या कि जब हमने आइडियाज भेजी तो वो जो फीडबैक आया और वो जो था, that
वो
process
disconnect
was
is huge.
something, हाँ, that was something that also was taking a toll on our mental health.
Once you become masters of your own universe, it becomes very difficult. But I'll tell you, you know, it became a joke word, this nepotism, because of what happened with Kangana and, you know, Karan Johar and all these kind of things. But the reality of it is we've all faced. जब हम बॉम्बे आए थे तो एक महेश भट्ट ही था, रामगोपाल वर्मा ही था. हमने सिर्फ एक लंबा सा लाइन पे खड़ा होना था, बाहर उसके बाद हो जाता था. And unfortunately today, I don't even call it nepotism, I call it mafia nexus. And it exists. If you don't know the right people, you won't even reach the door. And you know, that's why I think a lot of people felt liberated. Singers, इतने singers ने अपने label खुद निकाल लिए, इतने सारे.
और successful हो गए.
Of course, and Spotify was one of the primary mediums why so many singers were able to come out with their own music.
Correct.
And I think that people don't understand the extent. मतलब इतने सारे हमारे जो young दोस्त सुन रहे हैं you do not understand the level to which it is there. मतलब अगर आपको लगता है सिर्फ बड़े स्टार्स के साथ होता है, नहीं, बहुत सारे मीडियम लेवल स्टार्स आप बोलते हो यार ये बड़ा पर्दा पर क्यों नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है, या सिर्फ ये why is he only doing shows? Because he is comfortable doing that. They don't want to suck ass. You know, and that's the problem that happens. And I think that it's got worse with OTT. With same faces दिखाई देते हैं आजकल. Now for
अभी
example,
देखो साले,
correct
जैसे
है.
पहले
हाँ.
कितने साल पहले टेलीविजन पे भी होता था ये.
Yes.
That only the established faces
Yes.
used to get work. Then suddenly there was this whole era where newcomers,
Yes.
and
2009-10
finally,
में हुआ था जब फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस हुआ तो न्यूकमर्स
हाँ.
न्यूकमर्स.
अब
वो
Abhi, I
ट्रेंड
think that
चेंज
there's a
होगा,
good-
वो ट्रेंड चेंज
yeah.
होगा और ये सब होगा. इनफैक्ट Amazon Mini is also doing the same thing. They are picking up content from YouTube creators. They also want their
but
audience.
it's an inherent problem of India. हम भारतीय लोग डरते क्यों हैं इतना? इवन व्हेन दे गो, एक बारी आप कुर्सी पर चले जाते हो जहां पे आप बना रहे होते हो या डिसीजन मेकर होते हो, आप सबसे पहले सेफ सोचते हो. इंडियन स्पोर्ट्स वाज लाइक दिस. वी हैव नाउ स्लोली ब्रोकन आउट ऑफ दिस. हमारे यंग आईपीएल के खिलाड़ी जो हैं, दे डोंट केयर. They'll try to hit the first ball for 6, out भी हो तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. But generally speaking, when you meet these makers and all, why are they only safety first? Always.
Because I'll tell you, I think it's because their job is on the line at the end of the day.
Insecurity
They
है
are
ना,
not free.
बहुत.
They are not free like we are today. We create our own content
Still,
and we
I
market
mean,
it
ये बड़े
to
बड़े
who we
positions
want.
पर भी always insecure about it.
हाँ, because you don't want to lose that
Salil, it's the same thing, na?
that
Like,
position of power, and that position of, obviously it's very lucrative to be sitting at a at a head honcho's seat.
Correct.
So you don't want to lose out on that. So what do?
You put substandard content out.
You kind
no,
of
you
play it safe.
You just are under so much pressure that you maybe lose perspective. I mean, if
Yeah,
to me, it's like how we did that episode in Welcome to Mahabaleshwar. You pitching something to them is like buying them a full sleeve dress with a round neck, which is made of Georgette. They'll say, "We love the dress, but can you cut the sleeves? Can you make it V-neck? Can you try this in cotton?" It's practically not the same dress anymore. Neither are we convinced. Neither are they convinced. What has happened is khichdi, and it's not going to
So
work.
can you go back to say directing for television or for OTT?
So now, matlab, I would say fortunately or unfortunately, time becomes an issue for me because, like I said, TV requires X number of hours from the director, which I'm not able to contribute. And I feel if my heart is not into it, तो मैं वहाँ जाके किसी और के पैसे क्यों बर्बाद करूँ? या किसी और का मतलब अच्छा खासा प्रोजेक्ट बनाया मेरी वजह से ना खराब हो जाए, तो मैं मना कर देता हूँ. दो मुझे मन है बाहर जाके कुछ शूट करने का, बट मुझे मौका नहीं. हाँ, बट मुझे मौका नहीं मिल रहा है. जब मिलेगा, अगर कोई मतलब अगर कोई ऐसी चीज आएगी जो मुझे बहुत इंस्पायर करेगी, तो why not? I love to do it.
So this journey is going on wonderfully well. Have you made goals for yourself? Like Chavi, you are the one who will do a little tick mark with the boxes sometimes, right? So have you, as the business end of it, have you made goals now?
So there are a couple of things that I have in my mind which I keep discussing with him. What is the next step for us? We sort of have to still come on the same page.
You still don't find the same spot between the two of
Certain
you?
thing-
Eventually, maybe take the leisurely life and maybe
Really? Move to
become-
Goa?
No.
calm.
We bought a little land just on the outskirts, and now we're going to build that into a completely sustainable, resilient food forest. So we're going
So what?
to grow a lot of food that we're
A
going
lot
to
of
eat.
people have goals. I feel that so many people today have goals pertaining to money and pertaining to how we want to grow financially and in your business. We have goals of how we can make the quality of life better for our kids and for ourselves, and how we can give it back to.
Because
the
मेरे ख्याल से
future.
ना 1 करोड़ और 100 करोड़ में ज्यादा अंतर नहीं है.
नहीं, 1 और 10 सर. 1 और
1
100
और
में
10
बहुत
में
है.
ना, चलो 10, 1 और 10 में
चलो
ज्यादा
10 और
फर्क
100
नहीं है.
में.
अगर आप
Because 1 और 10 में प्रॉब्लम ही हो गई है. अभी 10 में भी Bombay has become so expensive.
Correct.
10 में बैंड्रा में तो घर नहीं मिलेगा.
नहीं मिलेगा.
That's the problem. If you want to look at a decent sized house, which is ridiculous.
Correct.
I mean, in our lifetimes, if we ever told our parents ki 10 crores is not enough to buy one single 3-bedroom house,
Correct.
they'll either slap you or they'll say, "What are you smoking?" And
So that's what.
Unfortunately.
If we can't afford something in Bandra, we'll buy something in Goregaon. We'll be perfectly
Yes,
fine
absolutely,
with it.
yeah.
So that is the kind of level and maturity that we've reached in our lives. And also, I feel both of us, in fact, very vehemently believe that what is it that we are, teaching our kids is also very important. So that is the kind of standards we want to.
Again, the question boils down to the rat race part of it. Like, Sal, आप मानोगे नहीं
अब
हमको.
भाई साहब एक और बात बता दूं. This very humble and modest people have a lot of property also. ऐसा नहीं है कि भैया ये छोटी सी स्कूटर में घूम रहे हैं और ऐसी कहानियां सुना रहे हैं. May I also reiterate this point?
नहीं बट हमने कमाया कहाँ से यार? हमें
नहीं वो ठीक है, लेकिन ऐसी कहानी मत सुनाओ इनको कि ऐसे ब्रह्मचारी की तरह.
नहीं.
And one in little one खोपचा in house we are living.
We are talking about the next 10 years.
हाँ.
10 years.
So I'm just explaining.
See, I started from 1 crore. मैं बोल रहा हूँ 1 करोड़ या 10 करोड़ की बात करो.
Correct.
10 और 15 में ज्यादा अंतर नहीं.
Correct.
ठीक है, आपके पास अगर आप 10 में खुश रह सकते हो ना,
जी.
तो 15 में आपकी खुशी दुगनी नहीं हो जाएगी.
Correct. I agree.
1.5 गुना नहीं हो जाएगी. तो बेसिकली आपको अपना बेंचमार्क बनाना है कि भाई मुझे किस चीज में खुशी मिलेगी इन द फ्यूचर.
Because
और
also आज आपके पास 10 है, आपको लग रहा है 100 में मुझे कुछ मिल जाएगा, तो जब आपके पास 100 होगा तब वो भी कम होगा आपके लिए.
True.
So that is the whole
No,
point.
and you have to be realistic about it also. You have to understand कि भैया फर्स्ट जनरेशन वेल्थ क्या होता है, खानदानी वेल्थ क्या होता है, और उसके हिसाब से you have to also have enough money, time to spend that money that you are making.
करेक्ट.
True.
खर्च करने का टाइम नहीं हो तो फायदा क्या है?
अभी देखो गोवा नहीं जा पा रहे, पासपोर्ट नहीं रिन्यू करवा पा रहे.
नहीं तो ये फार्म को लेके हम लोग बहुत एक्साइटेड है.
Nice.
इसको हम एक लाइक आई सेड इसको एक फूड
वाह, एक
फॉरेस्ट
दिन एक पैकेट आएगा जिसमें आएगा फ्रॉम मोहित एंड छवि फार्म्स.
हाँ यस.
Yeah.
टमाटर, गाजर, ये सब आएगा.
100%. तो अभी तो कमर्शियली नहीं सोच रहे हैं बट इवेंचुअली उसको.
नहीं, मैं भी फ्री मांग रहा था, मैं भी पैसे नहीं मांगने वाला था.
नहीं,
तुमको तो फ्री
आना पड़ेगा ना
तुमको तो फ्री मिल जाएगा बट मैं तो और लोगों को भी देना चाहता हूँ ना.
That's true, that's true.
कि मैं सिर्फ तुमको क्यों दूं.
But it's a very good idea, and you know you're again in the right path of this. I do feel that sustainable foods living next 10-15 years में unbelievable होने वाला है because.
तो मैंने इसके ऊपर बहुत
Yes.
कंटेंट देखा. बहुत कंटेंट
अच्छा.
देखा और मैंने
सर ये वही बात है रात को TVF वाली.
लिटरली
आजकल हिलता नहीं है.
लिटरली तो आजकल मैं ये जो देख रहा हूँ मैं एक नया कॉन्सेप्ट के बारे में मुझे पता चला है जिसका नाम है पर्मा कल्चर. It's called permanently culturing something. Perma culture. Perma comes from permanent,
Right.
and culture is again cultivating, right? And you build food forests which are resilient, and it reduces your dependence on the outside world to the minimum.
Wow.
So also then what it does is your requirement for money also goes down. And it's obviously it's going to be a अंधा कुआं है जहाँ पर आप जब शुरू करोगे तो बहुत टाइम लगेगा. But I realize that all across the globe people are moving towards this lifestyle which is going to be sustainable and building homesteads which are also called acreages. So it's 1 acre of land and then how you build it and make it. People are also commercially making money by what they're cultivating. तो 1 एकड़ लैंड में आप इतना कुछ ग्रो कर सकते हो. You don't need hundreds and acres of land to grow something which will also become a commercially viable land for you. So that's
I think
again a
this is
myth.
Also realization that in 1.5 years so much of our lives have changed.
Correct.
We want to be less dependent on anything or
Correct.
anyone outside of us.
Correct. And खुली हवा है यार.
हाँ यार.
आप जाओ पहाड़ों में आपके पास अगर छोटी सी एक जगह है आपको मास्क नहीं पहनना है. आपके पास अपना पानी है. आपके पास अपनी बिजली है.
और अपना खाना है.
आपके पास अपना खाना है. आपको और कोई नहीं चाहिए. आप वहाँ पर आराम से रह सकते हो खुली हवा में. एंड ऑब्वियसली
क्योंकि अब गोवा में एक्चुअली खुली हवा है नहीं.
हाँ, Goa is very commercial
Super
now.
commercial now.
So we looked at everything. I mean,
Yeah,
Goa, Alibag,
Yeah,
we
yeah.
went to
And
everywhere
Alibag
around.
now has also become very commercial. It's a party place for now.
Correct, exactly.
ये
तो
हो
वो तो करना नहीं था. उसके लिए तो
Correct.
मुंबई में घर है ही. पार्टी करनी है तो मुंबई से बेटर क्या हब
गया.
है.
Correct.
तो पार्टी वाला तो सीन है ही
यार
नहीं.
ये
और
तुम्हारा फ्यूचर प्लान मुझे बहुत पसंद आया. This is
हाँ.
very nice.
We'll sit and talk about this also.
नहीं, I am about 10 years away from deciding permaculture. अभी मैं यहाँ पे cultivate कर लूँ थोड़ा और, उसके बाद I'll move to permaculture. Guys, really was it's so refreshing to see people who have the the gumption and the strength to be able to make the forward thinking decisions. I think it happens very rarely with people who are ready to say no to तुम्हारे हाथ में पैसा आ रहा है and you're saying no to it to move to a better, more fulfilling life. That's very rare in Bombay. Please don't let that go. I know you won't. Because you've kept at it for so many years. But please continue with it. Thank you guys.
Thank you, yeah. Thank you so much, Salil.